Digital smile design is a process where we use high-resolution photography and our 3D intraoral scanner to create a final product, a final smile design for our patients to see. And we can do that in a matter of minutes while the patient's sitting in the chair, even sometimes at their first visit. Using our digital smile design software, we're able to show you our final design for you before we do any alterations to your teeth. Often we can even create a mock-up that we can try in your mouth directly so you can see and you can feel that final product for you and get to know if you like it before you even start anything. Once we have our digital smile design ready to show the patient, it allows them to give input, give us their thoughts and opinions on it, and they have an active role in the process of designing it. They can tell us that their teeth looks a little too big, they want to change the color, all of these things, because it's really for them. That smile is the one that they have to feel confident, they have to go home and be happy with. And with them being able to interact and give us input, they can create that smile of their dreams.